In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign ID verification 5 minutes. Docusign's ID verification adds an extra layer of assurance before someone signs by having the signer prove who they are with a government ID and a quick selfie. It's great for agreements that carry higher risk or regulatory requirements. First, log into your Docusign account. Make sure you're using an account or plan that includes ID verification. If you don't see the option later on, your admin may need to enable it in your plan settings. Next, select Start and upload the document you need signed. You can add one or multiple files, and most common formats are supported. Use the cleanest, most up-to-date version of your document so tags align correctly. If your file was scanned, ensure it's legible to avoid delays for recipients. After your documents are in, enter your recipient's details. Accurate email addresses are essential because the verification link is delivered there. You can add a subject and message that explains why you're requesting ID, which reduces confusion. When the recipients are set, click Customize. This opens the advanced options where you control authentication. In the Customize panel, choose Add Identity Verification and select Docusign ID Verification. This enables automated ID checks before the signer can view the document. Depending on your account configuration, you may be able to specify accepted ID types in the signer's country, which improves match rates. Let recipients know they'll need a valid government ID and a device with a camera. The experience typically guides them to photograph their ID, take a selfie, and pass liveness and security checks. If they fail, they'll be prompted to try again, and you'll see the status in your envelope. With verification set, complete the envelope preparation and send the document. Drag and drop signature, date, and any required fields onto the pages, and use Preview to ensure everything looks right. When you click Send, Docusign delivers the invitation. The signer will verify their identity first, and only then gain access to sign. You can monitor progress from the Manage tab, where you'll see whether verification is pending, completed, or failed. For best results, ensure the recipient name matches their government ID and avoid nicknames. Encourage signers to find good, even lighting and have their ID ready. If they start on a computer without a camera, they can hand off the identity check to a mobile device to complete the scan. That's it. By adding Docusign ID verification during sending, you protect your process with minimal extra effort while giving signers a clear, guided experience.